How's it? Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing the explanation of the Celtic Cross, the positions and the meanings of all the positions and how they connect to each other. Very important. So before I start with this whole thing, please subscribe. Please hit that big red button. Subscribe. You know, we are growing this channel and we're going through all the tarot deck, the history and everything involved in that. So please subscribe. It's free. It doesn't cost us a cent. It doesn't cost you anything. So before I begin, before I carry, just hit that subscribe button. Okay, so the Celtic Cross positions, the positions of the cards, what they represent at those specific positions. Okay, number 1, significator, querent at the present time. Position 2, challenging the querent at present time. Position 3, the root or cause at the present time. Position 4, the past leading into the near future. Number 5, position 5, crowning the querent is either good or troubling, an alternative future. 6, the near future of what may transpire. 7, fear of what may transpire, causes and choices to be made. Position 8, thoughts on how others see the querent. Position 9, hopes and fears. And position 10, future outcome. All right, so let's look at all the cards and how they align. You've got this part over here. This is the cross, and this is the staff. All right, so card number 1, the first position is the querent. That's the first position of the card, the querent. Second card, second position is the flag, challenge. Third is the root cause. Fourth is the past. 5 is the crowning. That's the alternative future. 6 is the near future. 7, which leads into the staff, is fears and cause. 8, how others see you. 9, hopes and fears. And 10, future outcome. All right, so those are the positions of the Celtic Cross. That's how the cards are laid out. All right. Okay, so examine the cards. Look at 1 and 2, find out the central dynamic. 2, look at 3 and 5. Find out what's going on within you at different levels. 3, look at 4 and 6. See how events or people are flowing through your life. 4, look at 7 and 8. Find out the relationship between you and your environment. 5, look at position 10, the projected outcome. How does it feel? What does it say? 6, compare the projected outcome to the possible alternative outcome of card 5. 7, consider near future position 6 and what it contributes to the projected outcome of the position. 8, card 10, see card position 9. Does it tell you something you need to know? Do you have hope or fear if this is relevant? Okay, the elements of color pertaining to different suits of cards. Wands, element is fire, color is red, noted for passion. Cups, element is water, color is blue, noted for moods and emotions. Swords, the element is air, color is yellow, noted for mentality. Okay, Pentacles, element is earth, color is green, noted for growth, plants, nature, and money. Major Arcana cards, color purple, noted for their spirituality. Okay, so this is the pairing together positions of the Celtic Cross. In other words, I'm going to read to you a whole lot of different pairing positions. Like position on that diagram we showed you how you lay out the cards. Those position numbers of the cards where they are. You've got to read them in conjunction with other positions as well. Like position 1 and 3. Okay, how is it influencing each other? How's it contributing to each other's how's it contributing to the meaning in that situation? So the pairings are also very important, and I'm going to go through all the pairings one by one right through of all the positions of the Celtic Cross. So that's how the cards are used in conjunction. The positions are used in conjunction with each other in order to explain their meanings further. I hope that makes sense. All right, let's start. The pairing together positions of the Celtic Cross. Position 1 is the central issue, what's influencing the present. Okay, number 1, position 1 and 2, card positions 1 and 2. What is influencing the present situation either positively or negatively? The heart or core of the situation, and shows two factors coming together, a collision course or mutual support. Number 2, position 1 and 3. What is influencing the root cause of the present situation, positively or negatively? Number 3, position 1 and 4. How something from the past is influencing the present. All right. 4, position 1 and 5. How the present is influencing the possible future. 5, position 1 and 6. How the present is influencing the near future. 6, position 1 and 7. How it is influencing what you fear or feel about yourself in the present situation. 7, position 1 and 8. Your present situation as you see them or as they see you, your environment. 8, position 1 and 9. Your present hope and fears of approaching something, a key person, problem, or a surprise. 9, position 1 and 10. How the present is influencing the outcome of the future. Right, position 2 and 3. What is influencing the root cause of the situation, positive or negative? Position 2 and 4. What influence is now projecting from your past deeds, karma? 10. Position 2 and 5. How obstacles or support is influencing the possible future. 11. Position 2 and 6. How obstacles or support is influencing the near future. Position 2 and 7. What is influencing your fears and present situation. 12. Position 2 and 8. The obstacles or support towards you or your environment. Position 2 and 9. What is influencing your fears and present situation. 13. Position 2 and 10. How obstacles or support is influencing the outcome of the future. 14. Position 3 and 4. Leads to the consequence of the future cards. 5 and 6. So that leads to the consequence of those two cards. 15. Position 3 and 5. Represents two levels of awareness. Position 3. Real feelings and the deeper truth and wisdom of one's higher self. 16. Position 5. Expected feelings, surface appearances, and beliefs of ego self. 17. Position 3 and 6. Root cause, what is leading to the near future. Root cause that is leading to the near future. 18. Position 3 and 7. Root cause of fears at present. 19. Position 3 and 8. Root cause of environment and how others see you. 20. Position 3 and 9. Root cause of how you approach your hopes or a key person or an element of surprise. 21. Position 3 and 10. May lead to the consequences of the future outcome. 22. Position 4 and 5. Moving away, leading to a possible future or opportunity or warnings. 23. Position 4 and 6 represents time and forms two halves of a circle of time that surrounds the present card 1. These two cards show something that is. 24. Position 4 and 7. Moving away or facing your present fears in the situation. 25. Position 4 and 8. Influences what people think of you. 26. Position 4 and 9. Moving towards something you hope for, making your dreams come true or overcoming fears of. 27. Position 4 and 10. Someone or something moving from the past that leads to your future. 28. Position 5 and 10. Lets you compare what you think will happen. 29. Position 5. Is what is actually projected to happen. Position 10. That is if all energies continue as they are. Position 5 and 10. If positive and negative outcome, you can change your beliefs to change the outcome. 30. Position 5 and 10. If both positive, it reinforces your beliefs and flowing through the events, you can stay on course. 31. Position 5 and 6. Crowning you towards possible future opportunities or warnings. 32. Position 5 and 7. moving towards a possible future in the present or facing your fears. 33, position 5 and 8, crowning you on how it will affect others and your environment. 34, position 5 and 9, crowning your hopes and possible future of opportunities or hopes of outcome with another person. 35, position 6 and 7, how your present is influencing your fears and situation in the future. 36, position 6 and 8, how the near future will affect your environment and others. 37, position 6 and 9, the near future, how it will affect your hopes or a person in your life. 38, position 6 and 10, obtaining goals or losses in the near future and if successful or a failure. 39, position 7 and 8, represents self and other cause and effect, emotion and thought and how it affects your environment. 40, position 7 and 9, your present fears and hopes you feel of the outcome. 41, position 7 and 10, the present fears of the outcome. 42, position 8 and 9, your environment and hopes of what you hope people will think. 43, position 8 and 10, your environment and what people will think of your success or failure. 44, position 9, a wild card, represents your hopes and fears. 45, position 9 and 10, your hopes and the approach to take or the outcome or your future. 46, position 10, represents a possible long-range future and the outcome good or not so good. 3 cards refer to the future. 47, position 5, possible alternative future. 48, position 6, near future. 49, position 10, long-range future, outcome of all cards. So that's it. That's the Celtic Cross. Yeah, all explained in a nutshell. We've gone as deeply as we can. It's very important to understand the positions and how they affect each other, else you won't be able to read the cards. So it's not just about reading the cards one and knowing what the card actually means. Remember, a card means something on its own, but in conjunction with other cards and in conjunction with the positions it lies, you need to then explain the whole bigger picture. Okay, so you don't just get the meanings from the one cards, they all are in conjunction with other cards and the positions in the cross. I hope that makes sense. And I've tried to explain that to you. I've given you basically a reference guide to the Celtic Cross. So you always go back to this video when you start to read cards so you can get a feel of how they all connected with each other, plus knowing what the actual individual meanings of the cards are. All right, so that's it. That's it for our Celtic Cross reference video. Please like this video. Please share it with everybody you know. And once again, like I said in the beginning, subscribe to the channel. It's free. Just press that big red button. It's completely free. And we are growing this channel. And we're adding some awesome videos on tarot cards. From the history, we're going through the whole tarot deck. So please subscribe. All right, so that's it. And also leave comments and suggestions. Anything you want. Okay, so until our next video on the tarot, this is Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Good day on you.